In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to configure member connections in BuddyBoss platform. As I've mentioned in other tutorials, BuddyBoss platform is a fork of BuddyPress. We took BuddyPress and modified it to improve it for the customer experience that makes sense for our clients. So one of the first things our clients would always ask is to switch friends to connections. In BuddyPress, they call these friendships. Most of the people in our experience are trying to build professional networks, and connections makes more sense. So that's the default text now, but you can rename it later if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and activate member connections. And now your users on the site have the ability to request a connection to each other and form relationships. So let's go see what it's like. So if I go on the front end, we can see we only have me as a member. So let me just create some dummy users. I'm going to create members with connections. All right. So let me go log in as Jessica. If she goes to her connections tab, she can see she has these 6 people who she's connected with. I can click that and click remove connection. Are you sure you want to? And it's removed. I can go to the members directory. I can go to someone who I'm not yet connected with, and I can click connect. And so now I have a connection request sent to Trent, and I'm going to view as Trent. So here we can see pending requests from Jessica. So he can accept it. And now for Trent, he can go to my connections. And Jessica is one of his connections. Let's go switch back to the admin user, and we'll see what else we can do. Let's go back into components. I'm going to turn on private messaging. And then when we go to settings, under connections, we have an option to require users to be connected before they can message each other. So I'm going to save that. So let's go back to the members directory, and I'm going to log back in as Madeline. So remember, the option we selected is require users to be connected before they can message each other. So now when I go in here, you can see that Trent, who I'm connected with, I can message, but Nicolina, who I'm not yet connected with, I cannot message. So let me open up Trent's profile, and I can click to send him a message. But if I open up Nicolina's profile, who I'm not yet connected with, I can't send her a message. Now I'm going to show you one more thing here. If I go into the back end and go to Appearance Widgets, there's a widget BB Connections, a dynamic list of recently active, popular, and newest connections at the displayed member. Widget is only shown when viewing a member profile. So you want to put this on the member profile. And then let's go back to our favorite person here, Madeline, and view as her. And we can see all of her connections now on her profile. If I go to members, really I could click any other member, and I can see all their connections listed on their profile because we assigned that widget to the profile.